Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Always here for you, never missed, always here to present whatever it is, wherever we are in the markets, how good or bad it gets, and we've had the worst of times. They said it would all be over in 6 weeks, 7 weeks. No, the S&P has never been down more consecutively in history. Well, it's continuing to fall every day. I'm so glad I'm out of margin. Oh, I can breathe, I can relax. It's awful losing money, but you're not losing somebody else's money where you have to pay interest and pay back and sell losses and margin call. So there we are. That's where we are right now. Let's get straight back into the trades and have a look at my portfolio. If it's your first time here, click subscribe, ring the bell. We go live every morning, every evening for the opening and closing bell. We also do breaking news throughout the day. We also have earnings reports, pre-market, aftermarket. We're the hardest working channel on YouTube. We're always live. We're always here. Don't make any money, hardly any, like a couple of dollars a day, nothing on YouTube for the live shows. It's all supported by our members. Consider being a member and supporting our show. Keep the live shows going. I could make life easy for myself and just make a few videos a day and make an income from that. But I prefer to build a community and family of real people, real traders, live every day, supporting each other. So if that interests you, please do consider being a member. All right, let's look at all the stocks, all the shares, and let's see who's here. Mike is here first on the live show. Who is here in the pre-show? We had Ali Tisro, Mike, Bill, Nicholas Morello. A lot of people actually waiting for the show to start. Great stuff. Dexter Sickles, wonderful. Ali Tisro, brilliant. Thank you ever so much, everybody that was here early. Zach from Uganda is here in Africa. Great stuff. We've got everybody lining up, coming on in. If you're over there on TikTok, good morning to you this morning. How are you? Let's welcome our guests on Facebook. Let's welcome our guests on Twitter, and also now on Twitch. Excuse me, I got something gone in my eye. There we go. I want to thank everybody who's joining me now on Twitch as well. We're trying to keep an average of 3 a day. Please don't use YouTube. Don't abandon YouTube. YouTube is the most important platform, but use Twitch to go as a second tab and have that running in the background. We're trying to get 3 average a day. That's what we need. And please follow me. We've got 28 followers now. Yes, we've gained another one. Just 22 to meet the target. Meet the target of 50. We need an average of 3 viewers as well. We have just 1 right now, so we need 3. Okay, let's get straight into all our stocks. This is my main portfolio. You can see it's down at the moment, not looking good. Let's get the smash the likes. Mr. Mini-Me says smash the like button. There's one of my NFTs. You can trade these if you want to. Smash the like. Let's put a minute clock up and let's get the likes up. We're on 12, watching 9 likes. Let's get 12 likes. Let's go. Let's get it moving. Quick sip of tea. Read the pre-show thoughts, comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let me have a look. Oh, there we go. Very, very nice. We can clear that away already. Yes, let me bring up these comments here that Ali Tisro sent in. It's worth discussing. Let's have a look. Ali Tisro, one of our top members, and because of him and people like him, the show is able to keep live. So thank you, Ali, for all you do for the channel and everybody that uses this now as a service, as a support, company, friendship. Brilliant. Ali Tisro's comment was, yes, we need to think long term. Hopefully these scammers in high positions suffer a big fall. Doubt they will ever be held accountable, but we can always hope for justice. Makes me very angry that a company which has done more for the environment than all the other ESG rated companies is taken out of the ESG. Yeah, I reported this last week. Can't believe that Tesla is out of ESG. Makes no sense when a Russian oil company have much higher rating. Yeah, I am all in there with you. Ali Tisro. I feel it is disgusting. Elon Musk has always made it a mission to save the planet, to be sustainable. You can see how he acts online. You know, he often acts irresponsibly, perhaps you could argue. He tweets and he gets involved in buying Twitter. But one thing he does do is he does care about the environment. He really does. He wants what's best for the environment. And I feel it is actually awful the way he is treated and how he has been treated. I'm totally in agreement with what you're saying. I totally agree with you. I think it's terrible. But I did read, though, that it is actually not that damaging initially. It's not that damaging as much as it could be. But I do agree with what you're saying. It's awful. I think it's a manipulation. I tell you what, I'm really proud of what we have produced here. We're a small channel, but we are, honestly, I don't know if you go through all the money channels and all the financial channels, but we are the most real and honest. There's so much now manipulation, lying, scamming. People just want to make money for themselves. I mean, I have really got tired of hearing some of my favorite YouTubers that were favorite YouTubers talking about crypto, Bitcoin, whatever it is they want you to watch their channel for, constantly making a prediction that never, ever, 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 ever comes true. And like, because most people are filled with passion of greed and desire to make money, they forget that what they've just been told for the last ever never comes true. And last week, Bitcoin's going to go up. This is the position on the flag. This is what's going to happen today. This is going to go up today. This is going to, and every day it's like, I can't watch anymore. I turn on. I like George. Cryptos are us. Turning on. We are George. We're all George. Turn it on, and he says today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Are we? Are we? You talk about Bitcoin on every show. It's what you do. It's like a repeat. And I'm seeing the death cross and the charts, and we're going to go up today, and then we don't. And 20,000 people watch it, and then tomorrow, I think we're going to go up today. 20,000 people watch it. We're going to go up today. It's like every single day is the day when something's going to happen. And everybody, because they're so full of excitement and desire to make money, will tune in again tomorrow and watch it again. And every time it's earned another 10 grand, another 10 grand. It's very, very easy to be constantly, predicting the future when you're earning 10 grand a video, and they're all doing it. Everyone's doing it. And one day, hopefully, I might earn 10 grand a video. But the thing is, I don't do sensationalism. So, my growth is different. It's slower, but it's more real. But I won't come on here and tell you tomorrow this is going to happen, because nobody knows. Nobody knows. And I'm really confused now. I've been looking at Satoshi Nakamoto videos, the court case, Craig Wright. There is so much controversy to all of that stuff. Oh, SoFi is doing well today. Are we actually green today? There we go. There's so much controversy with all that stuff. You just do not know what to believe. Every day, it's something else. I'm just refreshing my screens, guys, in case you're wondering why I'm flashing through quickly. Every day, something else. And Michael Saylor, really interesting stuff with Michael Saylor. Very knowledgeable. Very knowledgeable. But I want to say, how many people, honestly, really honestly, if you listen to Michael Saylor, you want to buy Bitcoin. But isn't that his job? He owns more Bitcoin than anyone. He stood on the conference floor in Miami and said, "Do not sell your Bitcoin." Well, yeah, he would say that, because if you all sell it, he loses billions. And you listen to him, and the language he uses, and I regard myself as an educated person. I went all the way in education. I listen intently with a thesaurus to try to digest every word. And honestly, most of the time when he gets really in depth, I haven't got a clue what he's talking about. But it sounds so knowledgeable and so believable, I believe it. And I want to ask honestly, because you all watch it, you've all seen it, we've all got a bit of Bitcoin. I've got a bit of Bitcoin. Here's my Bitcoin, look. I've got it. You know, I can see the benefits of it. But I've always said it could go to zero. Of course it can. It doesn't hold anything. It could go to zero. And now we've got the argument there's no data in it, in the block. There's no data. There's data in BSV. There's no, I mean, now we're getting that information. But honestly, I'd like to know, in fact, I'm gonna do a poll. I'm gonna do a poll. Honestly, that is the first word. Honestly, when you hear Michael Saylor, do you understand all he says? Now, why I say all he says? Because he's telling you, or he's giving you information that's now making you act and invest your hard-earned money on something that doesn't actually physically exist. It's just algorithms, it's just software, whatever. You're not actually buying anything physical you can put your hand on, right? But yet you do it. Millions of people do it. And I'm not saying, do you understand something? Because you're bound to understand something. But if you're going to use the information and then go out and buy and invest money, shouldn't you understand everything he says? I mean, like everything. If you don't understand everything, then you should question it, study it, research it, and then buy into Bitcoin or any crypto, whatever. So I want to know, honestly, the question is, when you hear Michael Saylor, do you understand all he says? Yes or no? And then I'm going to ask, once we find out how many people understand all he says, then find out how many people who said yes or no then went out and bought Bitcoin after it. There you go. There's the poll. Let's see what happens. Let's read some of these comments. I only watch this channel for stock. Any other is drones. Nice one, Bill. There he is. Look, legend. Been here since the beginning. That's because the majority of YouTubers are clueless. There are only a few who actually are good with their crypto analysis, and they're not on YouTube. There you go. I don't blame them. But you see, they make videos. Most of what they do is make videos. George goes live for an hour a day. To be fair, a little bit more than that, but most do the videos, because you make the money from the videos, not going live. But I'm here for a community. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to build a family and leave a legacy of support and helping people, you know, whatever. And I keep learning, and I'm always open to learn. Thank you, Hamish, for your support. This channel is about the truth. The community I've built is amazing, and we owe it all to being here, and we owe it all to you being here every day. No, I owe it to you. It's an absolute joint effort. Trust me, at the beginning, I used to talk to nobody. I was sitting here talking to me. It was me and Bill. Do you remember Bill? Yeah. It was like me, Bill, and one other person. That was it. So it really wouldn't work without you. Love the way you give members a space on your Discord. Yeah. The idea is, as we grow the Discord, everyone gets a chance to grow. So, Hamish. Oh, by the way, Hamish, have you got your... you're a member, right? You won a membership the other day. As long as you keep it, you'll have a space on. Well, only silver members have space on the YouTube on the Discord. So at the end of your, I think you got your membership from Ali Tisra, if I'm right. You won it. didn't you? Didn't you win it? If you upgrade to silver and you stay, you can have, not only can you go on the homepage of the YouTube channel, not only can you get 20-minute concert and many other features, but you can also have your own Discord channel and promote your business and whatever. And that's the point, because the community supports each other. So rather than talking in the space of Facebook or anywhere else, you can talk here and people actually care and get involved. So thank you for that. I had 334 space and 200 Tilray. I kept 34 space and 1 Tilray. Give the money to Zach. His generator in Uganda. That was wonderful, Bill, you did that. Michael Saylor is a big influencer. Yeah, huge. The biggest. George is a scam. He tells his followers, follow a Bitcoin. It's going up every day. Yeah, it's really... I don't know. Is it disgusting? Are people stupid? You know, I mean, we are influenced. We can't help it. It's like a drug, and our job as YouTubers is to fill the need. But I don't do that. I just haven't got interest. I'm not driven by money, even though I'm running a money channel. I don't wake up in the morning and think, hey, I can make $10,000 if I lie all day on YouTube. I don't work that way. I would feel pointless. I would feel my life was pointless. I would have there's not a bone in my body which fills me with any desire to even consider that course of action. Just seems pointless. He only wants to push Bitcoin. There you go. Well, of course, it's the only thing he owns. Very true, Bill. I've just received a phone call from the courier service provider, and it's already in Kampala, picking it up anytime. Thanks, buddy. There we go. That's Bill sending off the solar-powered generator to Uganda. How cool is that? Never listened to him or read his tweets. That's Paul. Bill said, never heard of him. You can't miss him on YouTube. Mind you, he's scammed by so many people. Him... Elon Musk, Kathy Wood, they're always live, but it's never them. It's them and others. They're always live, and it's always a repeat. It's always the same interview, but they're always live. And it blows my mind that everybody's oblivious of it. Michael Saylor is very knowledgeable. Yeah, absolutely. The words, the text, absolutely. I understand most... and think I don't, and things I don't, I try and read more to try to understand. I mean, I tell you what, you're a clever bloke if you know what he's saying. Really, if you're gonna buy a Bitcoin, don't listen to Saylor. There you go, Bill. I bought Bitcoin and LTC in 2015. I sold LTC at a loss in 19, but still have the Bitcoin in a cold wallet. There you go. Yes, only a few. Very good. Benjamin Cowan is a good crypto YouTuber. Instead of watching George, give him a watch and let me know what you think. I will. Benjamin Cowan. Benjamin Cowan. All right. I'm going to take note of that and put that in here. Benjamin Cowan. And I'm going to... have a look. Let me copy and paste your comment. Right. YouTube Benjamin Campbell. What about who's the other one? Lark Davis. Lark Davis. Oh, every single thing is ridiculous. Every single thing is sensationalism. Every single thing is a drama. and I love the production. Talking YouTubers, I love the production of Graham Stepan. But every video, he's sad. I mean, he's obviously realised that the algorithm likes his sad face, and he plays it every day. I mean, the guy is a multi-millionaire. The guy has done very well on the stock market. He's done allegedly. I mean, we don't know. Never shows his actual real money like I do. But allegedly he has. We know he's successful on YouTube because he has millions of subscribers, so he does make a lot of money. But every single video, the thumbnail is, oh, I'm losing all my money. Every single one. I'd wake up and I'd say, I'd wake up one day and go, I'm embarrassed to be me. I'm going to punch myself in the face and stop doing this. I'm literally selling my integrity, my life, my personality, my humanism for money. I don't care. I'll do anything. And obviously the algorithm likes when I look sad, so I'll look sad for the rest of my life. Regardless if I'm sad or not, I'm just going to look sad. And that's what you see every day. There you go. Altcoin Daily, another one. Thank you very much, Paul B. I'll check that out as well. There we go. Anyway, welcome everybody to my portfolio. We had a huge dump again this morning. It's just going down and down and down. Right, we need to tell everybody off. You know what's coming, right? You know what's coming. Smash the like button. 24 watching and 13 likes. Seriously, tell me where you are. Let's see if we can colour in the whole world today. Let's see if we can colour in the whole world. 24 people watching. Put your cities and countries in the chat. Smash the like button. There we go. We've got Mr. Mini-Me, one of my NFTs on the screen. He's getting very upset this morning. Let's bring a 1 minute on the clock. We should have at least 20 likes. Let's go. Let's have a cup of tea. Chiggy 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 ba ba chiggy 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 be ooh We've got East Africa. We've got East Africa in East Sussex. Everybody's in the East. Everybody's in the East. There you go. Looking good. That's more like it. 15 likes. Wakey, wakey, everybody. 3,225. We just gained a subscriber. Yes, we've got 35 people watching so far. That's good. Looking good this morning. Chiggy, chiggy, chiggy. People on TikTok are thinking, what the bloody hell is this? Yeah, there you go. It's a crazy, crazy world we live in. It's a crazy, crazy world we live in. I'm telling you that for nothing. All right, let's go back to the trades. Looking pretty good this morning. Well, I say we're looking pretty good. We're massively down, but we are improving. Okay, that's all I'm saying. That's what I meant to say about that. All right. Okay, so the portfolio is coming up. I tell you what. Seriously, I'm so glad. If you're in margin right now, and you're stressed, take it from my experience. Real, living it every day. I tell you what, I feel so much better. You know, I went bankrupt years and years ago. I told you the story about it. My mum passed away, and the $10. Remember the £10 that flew? It's just above my head. If you've not heard the story, ask me and I'll tell you. But just above here, look. If you look up here, look. See here? There's a £10 note. There's a picture of me and my mum just there. Look, see it? And in that envelope, if you look very closely just here, there's a £10 note which flew past the window of my house when my mum died. And my mum never had any money, but she always had money. If that makes sense. If you look very closely, that's as close as you're going to get right now. Let me focus it in. Look, the camera. All right. Look, if you look here, there's a £10 note. Let me just turn around. If I catch the camera right, if I focus on the face, there you go. Can you see? There, look. There's a £10 note just in there. That £10 note flew past my window with a robin redbreast. No joke. People say that. You know, that happens when someone dies. And I remember what my mum told me, and it was very, very important. So if you want to know the story, just ask me. Anyway, 616. We're looking to trade. By the way, I haven't yet. Oh, this was a long time ago. You don't need to offer me condolences. That's very, very kind of you. But I actually lost my mum and dad years ago. I'm like Oliver Twist. I'm a little orphan now. How about that? Now you can offer condolences. Mum and dad died 10 years, 15 years ago. Yeah. But died very young, actually. They both died just simple respect. I appreciate that. Yeah, they died when they were 68. They both died at 68, even though my mum and dad were 16 years apart. They both died at 68. Weird, that, isn't it? So that's the magic age for me, 68. Nothing like that, is there? My 68th birthday is right. This is the year. Am I healthy? Yeah, 68. Yeah, this feels good. This feels good. All right. All right, fantastic. Let's go through all our stocks, see what we're trading this morning. My portfolio is down. I'm glad to be out of margin. I can't tell you how good it feels. The S&P is down this morning. I am looking to sell something so I can trade something. There we go. Tesla is down 1.26, 620 now. Officially, you heard it first here on the Day Trader. Mozart, here he is, Mozart. Mozart, hey, Moose, would you like some Mozart to put on your channel? Would you like me to make a video and put some Mozart on your channel? As a gold member, you are one of my top supporters, top fans. Would you like me to do that? Would you like me to record some Mozart for your Mozart YouTube channel? If you look on the homepage of our YouTube channel, here is Mozart. And I could put some Mozart on your channel. I'll record it, upload it. I'll do that. Sure, he said. And I'll get everyone to watch it, like, subscribe. There you go. That's what I'll do for you. All right. I'll do that. And we'll have Members Day on Friday. We're going to promote Moose and we're going to promote Sam on Friday. So I'm looking to trade. If I can make a profit today from VU, we are up. I am up 0.5%. I have shares that are actually up, technically. They haven't lost any money at the moment since I repositioned. So technically I could sell them and get all my money out and buy back when it drops. There is that option. There is that option. But you don't, I'd rather dollar cost average and do that. GOVX is going my way. Very nice. Mozart, that's Moose, warned me of it yesterday, or at least alerted us all on Discord. So, if you're not on Discord yet, remember you can be in there and call in live to the show. So, make sure that you are actually on Discord. And if you are a YouTube member, a paid member, you can access all the exclusive channels on Discord. There is the Discord link for you. One thing we're trying to do now, though, a little extra thing. We're trying to keep 3 people live in Twitch at any one point. I need an average of 3 a day, and I need to get to 50 followers. There's my Twitch account. Don't abandon it over YouTube. Just keep it going in the background. And I'm trying to become an affiliate. I got 3 viewers. Yes, I got 3. I got my average 3 today. So you 3, keep that tab open. Whoever you are. Who is it? Who is it over there on? Who's over there today on? Who's watching me over there on Twitch? It's Mike at the moment. There's 3 of you. That's great. I've got 28 followers. I just need 22 more. 22 more. To get affiliate status. Ooh. Become an affiliate on Twitch. That makes me special, right? That makes me very, very important, that does. Makes me very, very important. Oh, I can't tell you how important that makes me. The Vanguard S&P just up slightly. We got 29 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic is holding. Bill's in Twitch as well. You're still in YouTube though, right? You're still in YouTube though, right? Don't tell me you're not in YouTube, else we'll fall out. Because you won't be watching my YouTube ads and growing my YouTube channel. You've got to open another tab. Right? YouTube is number 1. YouTube is king. That's how we grow. It's the search engine. There you go. And all the chats as well help as well. Very, very important. Yes, in YouTube. Good man, Bill. Is this bingo? Is this bingo? Why? I've had people. I don't know if that's a magic word on TikTok or something, but I get people come in who never have a. Is this bingo? I'm like, Pete, what do you mean? Is this bingo? How is this? How is this bingo? These are my stocks and shares. This is my real money. This is my real Ethereum, my real Bitcoin, my real cash, my real everything. This is my real studio. This is a real human being in Texas talking to you. I don't know what you mean. Very often, Pete, it's like Pete's a magic man. He'll come on and say, it's all got 5 viewers. Oh, flipping heck. We've got an explosion on TikTok. Who is Michael Saylor? Oh, Michael Saylor, really? Okay, I'll tell you what we'll do. We will do a more in-depth video on Michael Saylor, Jason, and you can look out for it, and I'll make a video about who Michael Saylor is. Right, okay, the question of the day is, honestly, when you hear Michael Saylor, do you understand all he says? All he says, 93%. Now then, okay, I want to ask now the 93%. If you said no, I don't mean to be rude. You're not rude at all, Pete. We love you being here. We love you being part of our family. Are you over on Twitch? Because we're actually on YouTube. The home of our show is YouTube. That's the home of our show. Come and join us and be part of our family. We'd love to have you. I'm going to put the link for you. There you go. There is the link to where we are live right now. Come and have a look. Come and have a look at YouTube. We'd love you to be here. That's the home of our channel. Anyway. Okay, so 88% of you said you do not understand what Michael Saylor says. All right? 88%. Now, at the 88%, I only want the 88% to vote, right? The question is this. If you said no, have you still bought Bitcoin? Do you still own Bitcoin? Because this just proves to you how we are all manipulated. This is proof, evidence. I'll send it into to Michael Saylor and George and Cryptos Are Us and BitBoy and everybody. Okay. If you said no, okay, do you own Bitcoin? That's the question. So for those of you that said no, you don't understand everything he says. If you said no, do you own Bitcoin? Okay? And let's see. Doesn't matter how much you own, even just $1, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But I want to see how many people do not understand what the biggest Bitcoin influencer, one of the biggest Bitcoin owners in history, you don't know what he says. You've admitted to not knowing what he says. Let's see how many of those people that don't know what he says actually then went and bought Bitcoin. Because if we get a big yes, the world is upside down, inside out, and we should all just slap ourselves across the face. Seriously. We should, seriously. Right, let's have a look. Right, this will be very interesting. It's okay, Pete. You're welcome here, buddy. Yeah, Ali Tisrot, yes. Over the counter Bitcoin and cryptos is the future. OFC, BTC and cryptos is the future. XRP is this is what Ali Tisrot is saying. This is not my quotes. This is Ali Tisrot. Ali Tisrot also said XRP is the future. I am working with Ripple in London this summer. Oh, you're actually working with Ripple in London. We'd like to know more about that. We should do a live link up. Have you there at the presentation, the work, the conference, wherever you are doing whatever you're doing, and you should be live on the show, promoting Ripple and promoting XRP and promoting you. You remember, let's help you. Let's engage with you, get you on the show, call in or video call in, do a joint link up. Absolutely awesome. I only have 3 space, 34 space, and 1 Tilray. Okay, Bill. Monorama Biswas. Lovely to have you here. Tell us about positive think. There you go. There's an interesting point. I am into space. Let me show you my SPCE. But there's interesting comment there. There's an interesting point about what we've just said. Look at that. Tell us about positive think. So people want to hear. They don't want to hear negative, even if it's the truth. They want to hear positive. That's human nature. We all want to hear something good. Well, the good thing is, Monorama, I do believe that Virgin Galactic is good. And no one could vote more honestly, because look, that's my real money. I've got 911 shares. So I'm not saying SPCE is great and I've got no money in it. SPCE is going to $1 million and I've got no money in it. That would be pretty bad, right? I am actually telling you the truth. I actually believe in it. I've got 27 followers now. Which person unfollowed me? I had 28 on Twitch a minute ago. Who was it unfollowed me? Did you do it accidentally? Boo! I was nearly at 30. So yeah, I do believe in it. I do. The tickets have pretty much sold out. End of the year, when customers are flying, the price will go up dramatically. I do see $100 price target. Yes, it's why it's the second biggest part of my portfolio. Yes, 100%. Totally believe in it. Yes. So there you go. XRP will be 17 pence soon with the next Bitcoin drop. That's Paul B. Jason Stolfert, you may have to avoid a lot of people in 5 years. Yes, from New York. Lovely to have you here. From New York, Manorama Biswas. Lovely to have you here. Give us a subscribe and ring the bell. Have you thumbs up the video yet? Very, very important. Ali Tisro says, Paul B, maybe it will go down more, but it will grow next bull cycle and when the law case is over. That's Ali Tisro's opinion there. Ali Tiz, I just subscribed to your channel. Look at that. Look at that. You got a subscriber. Nice one, Mike. Mike is supporting everyone here. That's what this family's all about. Jason Stolfer, I am. What is the biggest part of your portfolio? Walmart, Tesla. No, the biggest part of my portfolio is right here at the top. It is VU. VU is the biggest part of my portfolio, and it should be. Why? For several reasons. Why? It's an ETF of the top 500 companies in the S&P. It pays a dividend. I earn money whether I sell or not, which is good. Over 90 years, it's a track proven record of 20%, 10% a year over the last 10 years, 20%. It's more stable than everything else. And it includes the top stocks, Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, all of these things. So, yes, that is my biggest part. That's 30% of my portfolio is in the S&P 500. It's boring, I guess you could say, but boring is good. So I hope that, Hamish, I hope that answers your question. Let me go over now and check the likes. Where are we up to? 25 watching, 16 likes. Ooh, we should have 20 likes. So I put the clock up. We've got 10 minutes to go. Let's bring Mr. Mini-Me in and let's see if we can get 20 likes. You ready? It's going to be okay today. I think we're going to be okay today. 16 likes. There we go. Slowly coming up again. Let me give I'll do 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's get to 20 likes. Go. $20 likes in 30 seconds. Let's do it. $17. It come up a little bit. All right. Virgin Galactic is 618. Ali Tisro, I have subbed to you. Look at that. Everyone's subbing to everybody. That's what it's all about. Support everyone. And Fridays is membership day. We promote channels. We do all sorts. I've got videos coming out for people and all sorts. Look at this. A lot of support going on here. And I have subscribed to each and everyone's channel who comes in our live show. There you go. Have you heard of Space Perspective? No, I haven't. Tell us all about it, Alex Hunt. Stolford, don't be the person to FOMO in. We're talking about Bitcoin and crypto, of course. $5,000 a ride seems a lot more relaxed way to explore the edge of space. Oh, hello. What is this? Space Perspective. Space Perspective. What company is that? Everyone's subscribing to everything. I love it. Very, very good. All right, let's go across our stocks right now. Tesla is down. We've got just over 12 minutes to, just over 17 minutes to go before the bell goes. My portfolio has dipped under 32,000. It's come up a little bit. It was a lot worse this morning. The S&P is up slightly. Let's go across all our stocks. Ethereum is down today. Bitcoin is down today, but moving up. Bitcoin BSV. What do you think of this? The more I read into this, the more confused I get. There you go. Enphase Energy. What do you think of this one, folks? Interesting one. Have you seen this one? Up 21,000%. Enphase Energy. It doesn't pay a dividend. It doesn't need to. There you go. Enphase Energy. I like energy sector. Manufacture and sell of microinverter system for solar panels. I mean, all that stuff is great. Look at the explosion that this company has had. 21,000%. Health warning. On TikTok, I've got a health warning. Consumer tobacco could influence mind. What? How ridiculous is that? I've got a health warning. How ridiculous is that? Unbelievable. TikTok are not showing my video at the moment for a health warning. There's nothing going on here. TikTok, if you're listening to me right now, because I'm sure you are, at least the robots are, no one is doing any such thing on my show. I'm sitting here trading. Unbelievable. That's incredible. Bill has sent me in Space Perspective. Anyway, what do you think about this one for an investment? Open Door Technologies is green today. Ginkgo Bioworks. A lot of my stocks have very small amounts in them right now. Tilray Brands is gone down again. Tilray Brands is down again. Can you believe it? Right, 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's have a look at Bill's link he sent in. So let me take you over to this screen a minute so I can bring it in. You can see how things have improved marginally this morning. And Space Perspective, thank you very much for sharing this. This is very interesting. If you can get a space for $5,000, let's see what it's about. A new perspective on home. Okay, this is interesting. Space Perspective. This has to be something I need to make a video on. Wow. A balloon ride. A balloon ride. A balloon ride to the edge of space. A spaceship like no other. Their website is a bit strange. Keeps going in and out. I don't know if that's intentional or what. Look at that. A new perspective on home. Space Perspective. Wow. A spaceship like no other. You can now go into space in a balloon. I'd rather chew tin foil than go up in a balloon. Chew tin foil. That tells you everything. Space flight that puts Earth first. It's a really weird website because you scroll up and then it disappears. It's like very peculiar the way that the website functions. Look, it goes black all the time. It's very odd. Is it a public company? Is it a public company, this one? Space Perspective. Contact, book now. All right. That's worth looking at. I will make a video on that. I think that's very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Thank you. 6-hour flight to 100,000 feet. Well, obviously, guys, you're not going to be in space. You're not going to be floating around, obviously. It's merely a balloon ride. A very high one. You're not going to float around, obviously, because the whole thing would float off into space. Obviously, you're not in space. You're not at zero gravity. None of that stuff. Okay, you're just very, very high up. I'm feeling 50-50 when the market is going today. Only time will tell. Jason Stolfer. 6 hour there and back. Wow, 6 hours. That's quite a journey, right? I'd imagine it's a very nice little thing to do. I'd imagine it's quite a bit of fun. I wouldn't mind doing it. $5,000. I can't afford it, but I wouldn't mind doing it. Fed minutes. Some people didn't seem to like. Fed minutes. Some people didn't seem to like. Yeah, we need to talk about the Fed today. If we can, get some information on that from yesterday. You're not in space on Virgins either. Oh, get out of it. Talk about the Carmen line. Here we go. Let's have the Carmen line debate. Zero gravity is just free fall in Virgin capsule. It's free. Oh. I mean, space goes on forever, right? Millions and billions and trillions and billions and millions of miles, right? If you're looking down at the planet and it's all black, not blue anymore, and you're floating around, to me that's space. I mean, we can argue it all day long. I mean, no one really cares the technicality of the whatever. What we're talking about, are you looking back at the planet? You don't do that in an aeroplane. Are you in the black or are you in the blue? Are you floating around? Then you're in space. As from an experience point of view, from an emotional point of view, you're in space, right? Right. So there we go. Now let's have a look at the poll. For those that said no, do you own Bitcoin? The majority just did. At the end of the day, still 17 people voted, and eight people still said yes, they bought Bitcoin, even though they don't understand what Michael Saylor says. Isn't that interesting? That proves the point that we as human beings will buy something because we're influenced by someone and we don't even understand why we did it. That's what that proves. That poll proves that the biggest influencers, the most intelligent people when it comes to Bitcoin, can influence you. You don't understand what they're saying, but yet you still buy Bitcoin. That blows my mind. What an amazing poll that was. There you go. Anyway. Are you going to be live for the Fed in 3.5 hours? I will go live for it. So what time is that? 3.5 hours from now. So midday. Yes, I will. Would you like me to go live for it? Can we have a vote? So that's midday. So that's, hang on, it's 9, 10, yeah. 3.5 hours from now. Okay. Hang on. Would you join me for live Fed? Right? Yes or no? If I get a majority, I'll go live. I'll set up a Fed video, and you can watch it anywhere else. But why would you not? Why would you? I will bring the Yahoo Finance video on the screen. You will get exactly what you'll get if you search anywhere else, except you'll get it with me. And you'll get it with the community and the family. There you go. Why would you say no to that? 8 minutes to go. I just got charged an ad fee. I just got charged an ADR fee, 17% of what the position is worth. Seems pretty criminal. Called TD Ameritrade. They said it's a free. The banks charge. Banks. Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't get any fees whatsoever, Nicholas, for using Robinhood. None whatsoever. I don't get any fees whatsoever. What are you? What do you got charged $17 for? An for ADR stocks. Yeah, that's terrible. That's what happened to me years ago at Barclays Bank. It was pointless. I was working for the banks. The best part of flying a drone is you can go up and see the world in your area. I can go up to 1,650 feet. There you go. Good on you, Bill. I've got a drone, a Mavic Pro. I've got one. Do you want to buy a Mavic Pro, Bill? It's brand new. I've never used it. I've got it in a box, ready to go. Mavic Pro. I'll put it on eBay and I'll sell it to you if you want one. Anyway, hello family. I'm here with you. A very small green day, everyone. I'm here with you. Have a green day. Leldavaza, thank you. That's cool, Bill. I would use one to explode ghost towns here in Nevada. Explore, yeah. If you own ADR stocks, you will. Oh dear. They're overseas stocks. Okay. How does Robinhood make money with no fees? There's many. Robinhood has many sources. The market makers, they always make a 0.001 cent per trade, even though you don't get charged a fee in the way the market makers price the stock. So you're buying a stock for $1, but actually the stock was available for 99 cents. If you put it that's one way of doing it. They make money from margin. They make money from Robinhood Gold. They make money from options trading. There's other things they can do as well. But there you go. How much? I take donations. I don't know. I'll put it on eBay and we can have an auction. I'll put a minimum price and we'll have an auction. How about that? How about that then? Oh, by the way, talking about my eBay shop, I need to sell 5 more things to Americans. 5 more things to Americans to open up international selling. So if you've not yet gone on to my eBay shop for things, personal things out of my studio, as well as bits of equipment that I'm selling. So if you want to check it out, there's my shop. Go and keep bookmark it. Check it out. And if you favorite it, as stuff comes up, you'll be told about it. All right? If you favorite the channel, as I release certain products and items and stuff, you will find out about it. All right. Just a few minutes to go now before the bell goes. Are you ready? Just coming up in a second now. Would you join me for the live feed? 67%. So that's 67% said yes. How many people have voted so far? Only 9 votes. How many people got watching? We've got 24 people watching. 24 people are watching. Can you vote on the question? Would you join me live? It's in 2.5 hours. No, 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours, midday Central Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And the Fed, Jerome Powell, will be talking. And I can stream it live and we can all debate and have a conversation. Martin, do you still have Nile? No, I don't. A bit Nile. I think I have this. No, I think I sold it. Want to become famous? Buy followers. What a joke. Oh my gosh. Where's that come from? Over there on Twitch. Lobo Mal. Want to be famous? Want to buy followers? It blows my mind that someone could even... It's at 1 p.m. Texas time, right? 12 p.m. Texas time, Nicholas Morello, 12 p.m. So it's in 3.5 hours from now. All right. I cannot believe someone can look themselves. I just can't, for the life of me, can believe that someone could write the sentence, "Do you want to get famous and buy followers?" I'm speechless that anyone would even entertain that idea. Buy followers. You're not buying anything. You're buying robots. How stupid are you to do that? Never, ever, ever, ever buy followers. Did you get him? Stupid idiot. It amazes me. How can you even write it down and look yourself in the mirror in the morning? I am literally trying to steal money from people. That's what I am, an absolute flipping idiot. Sounds like a scam. Yeah, it does. Over there on TikTok, can you believe it? There are idiots online who say stuff. By the way, if you're over on TikTok, we've got 2 minutes to go now. Come and join us here on youtube.com/thedaytrader1. We have cash giveaways most days. I'm joined by an angel investors. I'm joined by real traders. This is my real cash, my real money. This is my YouTube broadcast. If you want to come and join me, it's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Everything you see here is real. I don't want to sell you anything. I don't want any information from you. I don't want your WhatsApp. I don't want your Telegram. I don't want anything. I'm here talking to myself on YouTube, providing the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. And if you want to be part of it and you want to get some free money, I love giving money away to people. I don't know why. My wife thinks I'm stupid, but I don't care. I like doing it. It's nice. But only to nice people. Only to real people. If you're an idiot like that guy a minute ago trying to sell you some followers, don't bother. You wouldn't get it. You wouldn't fool me anyway. I'd know you're an idiot. So come and join us on youtube.com/thedaytrader1. The link's in the profile. All right, 1 minute to go. Here we go. Let's get ready to rumble. Oh, hang on a minute. Look. Are you ready? Let's get ready to rumble. Do you like that? Was that good? Was that amazing or what? All right, here we go. Let's get ready. Where shall we go this morning? First, let's look at the main index, S&P 500 first of all. Just a few seconds to go. Quick sip of tea. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. All right. Okay, the bell is gone. Let's go. Let's ring the bell. Here we go. Whoops, daisy. Pressing all the wrong buttons. Yeah, what a chaos. Mike, I have Nile as well. I did have some. I have 250 shares of Nile. There we go. My prediction, down. Total Ignorance says down. Let's have a little look. Right, I'm going up at the moment. Let's have a look. Who would you join me for the live Fed? That's in 3.5 hours from now. Right, at the moment we're going up, but we're already down. So the Vanguard S&P, we're looking to make some money if we can today. Virgin Galactic has popped up, and I have got to sell 10 shares. I want to sell 10 shares at, if I can, 6.45. Right, sell shares 10. We're ready to sell 10 shares of Virgin Galactic at 6.45 or upwards will make me a few dollars, and then we'll buy it back again. There you go. That's our first trade lined up. I haven't put a limit order into it yet. I want to watch it first, see where it goes. That looks good. That looks good. Vanguard S&P is up 0.6. Virgin Galactic is doing the best of the work. Tesla, 627. I've got an average of 711 now. Very nice indeed. Space has a resistance of 637. Rivian, up 1.3. Remember, Rivian came down my street. You all saw the video. Did you watch the video of Rivian driving down my road? It's one of our cashback videos. Did you not watch it and leave the comment Rivian in it? Here it is in the chat. There you go. Did you watch it? Did you watch it all the way through? Did you leave a like? Did you leave a comment? There you go. Win free money by watching the video. Spacious resistance of 637. Rivian is going up. I've got 14 shares of it right now. Let's have a look at SPCE. 624. Long way to go yet. We are nearly green for the day. Here's the portfolio at the moment. Are we in for a green day? Let's have a look. $6.45 or up will sell 10 shares of it. Tesla's doing well. Down 11% overall. Not bad at all. Rivian doing well. Nearly at a profit. Lucid. Very, very nice. Arrival. Oh, this is all popping up. Amazon. Oh, we're having a nice look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Hey, hey, hey. We're having a nice little go at the moment. 626, 627, I think 645. I like it. Let's go to our crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin, BSV, M-Phase. I need to change that back to the 1 day. Open Door, Ginkgo Bioworks, Tilray. Looking nice this morning. We are about to turn green. I want to be there with you. Are we going to turn green? It's very early in the day, of course. Pump and dump. That's what we're used to now. It's all we ever seem to get. But I'll take it. 6:30. I want to sell at 6:45. I haven't got a limit order set at the moment, but I will just do it manually, I think. 31 watching now. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Virgin Galactic is doing well right now. Subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And give us a thumbs up. Let's get to 30 likes. We've got 31 watching. Please help me out to support these live shows. We only survive because of our members. If you'd like to be part of it and part of what we're doing here today, please consider being a member. You get many, many perks. The perks were designed to help you, not to make me rich. They're designed for your benefit. And I built in perks. I work hard for you, promoting your YouTube channel, doing everything I can to support you, going live 4 or 5 hours every single day, or 5 days a week, the trading days. So we didn't quite turn green, and we're just dropping back a bit. We didn't quite make it. Alan the Nightmare. We got a guest here. We got a guest. Welcome. Welcome our guest. Let me welcome you in. Alan the Nightmare. Are you the Nightmare? Are you really the Nightmare? Let me welcome you in. My name is Martyn Lucas, voted as the World Piano Man. I've toured 195 countries. This is my TV studio. And I've raised over $1 million in this studio for our members, fundraisers, and so on and so forth. And by the daytime, I like to trade. This is where we are live right now. I'm in Texas, even though I'm from the UK, Cornwall. Lovely to have you here. Everything you see here is real. Everything is my own money. This is genuine stuff. We're green. We're green. We're making money this morning. Fantastic. SPCE, I'm trying to sell some at 6:45. Take a profit. Would everybody please put their cities and countries in and welcome Alan in? When the margin call, Arnold the Palmer, I sold all my margin. I paid it all off. You from Cornwall, St. Ives. You're from St. Ives. How cool is that? I'm from Truro. How are you, mate? Alan the Nightmare. Welcome him in. Well, Alan the Nightmare, you got to be a member to the #1, the most efficient, literally the most engaging channel on YouTube. 23% engagement rate, which is more than Mr. Beast, more than anyone. We're a small channel, but we're growing. We're live all the time. We're real. We help people. We give cash giveaways nearly every day. We got a cash giveaway for free to enter on Friday. I'm joined by angel investors all the time. Lovely to have you here. Everybody's put in their cities and countries and welcomed you in. If you'd like to be a member of our channel, consider it. A couple of bucks a month from bronze, silver, gold up to sponsor and investor level, and you get lots of perks and benefits. We all support each other. We grow. I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. You get your own channel on Discord if you're a silver member. There is the membership if you want to join. All links are below in the below all videos. If you'd like to access Discord and talk to our angel investor and all our star traders, you can get on Discord. You can talk to you can have exclusive content, and if you are a day trader member on YouTube, there's the Discord. We're also live on Twitch at the same time, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, all at the same time. But the home of our show is here on YouTube. We're trying to get 50 followers on Twitch. If you want to be part of our little mission there, don't abandon YouTube for Twitch. But if you want to have a stream open at the same time and follow me, I'd love your support. All right. And don't forget, if you're a member on YouTube here, you get a live birthday song. I make you a song on your birthday. It's all part of the membership. People pay me $500 for me to make them a video. You get it for free as a member on your birthday, all right? Or any special occasion if you are a silver member. Okay. Hamish is from New Zealand. Space is resisting. Let's have a little look. Space. 634 it is at the moment. I subbed. Alan subbed. Thank you very much indeed for the sub. Alan the Nightmare. Are you really a nightmare? Are you really that bad? Who said you were a nightmare? Arnold the Palmer. How is my wife been? She was here yesterday. Arnold the Palmer. She was here yesterday. Right. We are green now by 0.35. $112 up. Where the profit's coming from, the S&P is up. That's nice. The Virgin Galactic is up. That's nice. Tesla is up. Rivian is up. Just fell back a little bit. Lucid is up. Arrival. 42,000 buying power on margin call. That is margin. Yes, that is margin. I paid it all off. That's why the buying power, look, if you look in my buying power, I have $42,000 on margin available, which I'm not using. And I have $2 of my own money left to spend on the stocks. There you go. So I paid off all my margin. Paid it all off. I do not owe any money at all. Okay? At all. Not a penny. And it feels good because in this never-ending cycle of stocks going down, I just had enough. Subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. We've got 32 watching. I'm going to go on strike. I'm going to put a 1 minute on the clock. I want 30 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. Come on, everybody. Smash the like button. Mr. Mini-Me, one of my NFTs. You can trade if you're a member. I've joined Discord. Can't see any channels. Let me explain it to you. Chiggy, 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 ba, ba. We got 20 likes. To get a few more likes. Come on, let's do it. Let's go, go, go. Okay. So, Alan the Nightmare says, I've joined Discord. Can't see any channels. It might take a while for it to, 10 minutes. We have a 10-minute timer for high security because we don't want idiots joining our channel. Our channel is real traders, real investors who share their real stories, their real money with everybody. So to do that, we've got a 10-minute timer for security to protect from idiots. But if you are now on Discord, tell me, and I'll bring you up and promote you. So is this you, Kid Baddies? Let me show you. If this is you, have you just joined? Is that you? So, Alan the Nightmare. Now, I will tell you, as a non-member on YouTube, you only see the open channels. You will only see open to the public. You see the, okay, I see. Well, I'm 20 years old trying to learn, and I'm in Discord. Yes, that's me. Okay, cool. Well, you can see NFTs, eBay Shop, YouTube Show News, YouTube Premiere, YouTube Live, competitions where you can win free money, and welcome all. You can see all those. You can't see all the day trader channels exclusive, and you can't see the members channels because you're not a day trader member. You've not joined. If you become a member, and we have big angel investors, we have star traders, secret millionaires who support people. You can access all of those people if you become a YouTube member. How do you become a YouTube member? Using a browser, you click on this link, or below all the videos it says become a member. And there are many, many perks to becoming a member. And here are just some of the perks that you can have. There are many, many more. We've got cash giveaways, prizes, we've got all sorts of stuff. I make you videos, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. You even get your own channel on Discord if you're a silver member. So you benefit from as I grow, you grow. And that's what everyone gets. It's what we do for what we do for our members, all right? Okay. Alan, run, just buy Tesla. Buy Tesla. Let's have a look. This is my Tesla position. We're up to date. SPCE, we're just trying to sell. We didn't get a chance. It didn't make any money. It's gone back down again. We got a little bounce this morning, and then it's all gone back down again. So there we go. Didn't get a chance to do anything there. This is my Meta, still down. SoFi, up to date, but overall down. This is my crypto position, Bitcoin. How's Facebook doing? How's Facebook doing? Facebook is here. Let me bring it to you now. Here's Facebook. Facebook is up 0.4 today. Sounds great. I don't just buy anything. Sorry, mate. Sounds great. I don't just buy anything. Sorry, mate. Oh, Alan. Oh, I see. He's talking to Alan. Alan the Nightmare is talking to Arnold. Arnold the Palmer said, Alan, run. Just buy Tesla. You got to do your research. You got to do. You got to understand what you're buying. Don't just buy. It's not a casino. We're investing here. This is my real money, Alan. I grew this from $5,000 up to $58,000. We're now back at 32. So we've had a hard time over the last couple of months. I had margin of 40 grand. I sold it all out. I paid it all off. Alan, I'm trying to help you be rich. Arnold the Palmer, we don't use those sort of phrases. We don't help anyone to be rich. We just give them information, research, knowledge. We discuss it live on the show. We share our real money. There's no quick get rich schemes here. We don't sell you Bitcoin. We don't sell you training courses. All we do is offer support, real life, real money, real trades, real people. This is my real money, all of my real money. That's what we do here. That's what we do here. All right. Arnold is doing his part to promote Tesla. Good for Arnold. There we go. I make lots of videos on Tesla. But remember, I only ever make videos on the stocks I buy and own. Okay? I have made... my mission statement is to be the most honest, real, supportive, genuine YouTube channel on YouTube. So everything here is real and genuine. And the membership that we offer is to help you, not help me. That's what it does. And I've learned in life, the more you help others, the more you succeed. And that's what my channel is all about. NASDAQ breaks resistance. That is good. Nicholas Morello. We'll be back later on. Right, now we've got a 65% vote for the Fed. So I'll be back for that. Just do the maths. The best stock on the stock market. I agree. I agree with you, Arnold. I agree. Pound for pound, Tesla is by far the best value stock. I agree. Market Profit won't agree. He'll agree. He'll say it's only worth $200. I don't agree. I think Tesla is by far the most valuable stock. Just an idea. Buy Moderna and sell it around 133. I've made money on Moderna. I'm out of it now. Do you have anyone who does Forex trading? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And we do have Forex trading in Discord, and that is Bubble. He's got his own channel because he's a silver member. If you become a silver member, you can have your own Forex channel, and you can promote your Forex platform. You can talk to people. You can use my my social media circle, my following. And you well not use them, but you can engage with them and talk to them, and that's the benefit of being a member. You have access to the most engaging YouTube channel on YouTube. 23% engagement rate on most of our videos. It didn't hold. Never mind. What's up, Chaz Chef Sims over there on Facebook? Come and join us, Chef Sims. You're over there on Facebook. Let me come and find you. Let me have a look. Where are you? Let me give you the link to YouTube. That's where you want to be. You don't want to be over there on YouTube. Sorry, Facebook. Pointless. Pointless. You gain nothing out of it. Let me give you the link for where we are live right now. If you want to be part of our show, be in our cash prize draws, be involved. I've just sent you the link to YouTube. I've just sent you the link to YouTube. So there you go. I've sent you a message. If you want to come and join us, he says, what's up? Well, there is the link to YouTube. That's where you should be. That's the best place. If you are a real trader, can I talk to him or do I have to be a member? Let me have a look. Can you talk? No, he's got an exclusive channel. You can message him, but he probably won't accept your friend request because you're not a member. And the idea is we have serious traders here, serious money-making people with millions of dollars, people who we got secret millionaires, angel investors, and they don't want people who are not members. It's a couple of bucks a month. If you can't afford a couple of bucks a month, then it would suggest you're not a professional trader. And people on our channel only want to talk to people who are professional traders, who make real money, who help people for real. So probably not. He probably wouldn't accept your request if you messaged him. That would be the thing. We tend to just talk to our members. That's the purpose of the family. That's the energy and the benefit of how we support each other. And I go live every day. I don't make any money from live shows, like a couple of dollars a day. It's nothing. But the members are what pays for the live shows. So YouTubers make money from doing videos, not doing live shows. But I do live shows because I'm building a family and a community. That's the purpose of this show. Right, we did well for a while, and then everything dropped back down. What is the cost? I'm still young and want to gain knowledge. If I give you the link, you can check it out yourself. If you click on the link in the browser, you can become a member from a couple of bucks a month. We have bronze, silver, gold, sponsor, and investor level. Investor level is $499, but bronze is something like $199 or $299. It's the price of a cup of coffee. That's all it is. And for that, you get me live 4-5 hours a day, 5 days a week. I make videos for you. I reply to all your comments. I reply to your YouTube channel. I give you thousands of dollars worth of service. I promote your YouTube, your Discord, your TikTok, Twitter. I engage with you on social media. I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you're a silver member. It's the most engaging support. Look, these are my members on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I make them videos. I promote their channels. I get them viral videos. You get thousands of dollars worth of benefit for a couple of bucks a month. And that's the point. We do it cheaply so everyone can afford it, but also it prevents scammers and people who just are messing around not to get involved, because we don't want that. We want the best channel on YouTube. If it becomes the biggest, that's a bonus, but we want the best. What competition? The comp has profit margins. The competition has profit margins for under 5% with Tesla. Oh, there we go. They don't have any. No, I don't think Tesla has any competition, because Tesla isn't just about the cars. So many people are just focused on cars, and cars in the future will be the smallest part of Tesla. Most people don't understand that. But anyway. Okay, let's go back to the live feed now. And we've got 21 likes now. Subscriber, ring the bell, smash the like button. Let me know you are here. Give us a thumbs up. That would be really appreciated. It helps us grow on YouTube. Coming up to a year old. Now, the broadcast lounge is open now on Discord. You can call in live to the show. If you want to be live on the show, you can call in. The broadcast lounge is now open. And we've just gained another subscriber, 3,226. When we get to 5,000, we've got Greg Dickerson on the show. When we get to 10,000, we've got a big cash prize as well. That's good. Fantastic stuff. And over there on Twitch, we've now got, great, 3 viewers. That's what we need, an average of 3. Thanks, guys, for keeping that open. 27 followers. We just need 23 more to reach our target. So if you want to be part of it and help us grow, and you help us, we help you. It's how it works. Here is my Twitch account. I need to get to 50 followers as I'm trying to become an affiliate on Twitch. All right. Over there on TikTok, how are you all this morning? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Nicholas Morello says, sure, Tesla has the lead, but the competition will lower their future margins. Only time will tell, though, but Tesla has one of the biggest margins in production of their cars than anyone in history. The way they make their cars, the way they're building their factories is revolutionary. Okay, if I do bronze, how does it work? What will I receive? I don't want any shout outs or anything. I just want to learn knowledge as I'm new to trading. Well, okay, well, I will tell you the full perks you get. Alan the Nightmare. First of all, what do you get if you become a bronze member? Let me give you all the information for you. Okay, whoops-a-daisy. Hang on. As you've asked so politely, I will share with you what you get. Where's my perks button? All right. First of all, obviously, you start off with the loyalty badges and the emojis and so on. Member-only live chats. What does that mean? Member priority reply to comments. So, as a member, you can ask a question about trading in our YouTube videos, and you always get a reply. Members will always reply to you. I will always reply to you. I make videos on questions that you need. That's value right there. You can also trade my IPOs at pre-IPO prices. As a member, you can buy my NFTs for the price you want to pay. You don't have to pay the price that everyone else pays. You also get happy birthday in the show when it's your birthday. And also, as a member, you get, as a bronze member, we're just talking bronze membership now, which is what you mentioned. As a bronze member, you also get access to all the Discord channels, everything on Discord. Once you are on Discord, and I will manually update your account. I do it manually, so make sure it's done correctly. You'll become a member, and you'll be able to access all of the channels. You'll be able to talk to our angel investor, which is Peru Invest. You'll be able to talk to Muzanella, a very, very big trader. You'll get replies from me, and all the members will support you. That's basically what you get as a bronze member. Okay? And everybody in the chat will respond to you as a member because you are a member. All right, and we have cash giveaways as well on Friday. We do cash giveaways. We have cash giveaways many days, but we have one on Friday. You can be in our cash prize draws as well. Many, many perks for you. All right, it's designed to help you. It's not about making me rich at all. There you go. And if you become a member live during the show, this is what will happen. That's what will happen, and everybody will welcome you in, and you'll be part of our live shows. You'll have access to our live shows. We're live every day, and there are exclusive content as well. And you also get emails for breaking news as well, as it happens, things that we feel you need access to. All right. Good job on the portfolio, Mark. Here's one of our biggest investors, Market Profit. This is you get access to Market Profit. He's also a member of our channel. one of our top members, and also a member on Discord. And that's another perk and benefit. All right, a lot of experience on the market, a lot of knowledge. You can learn a lot from Market Profit. Some of the best traders are here on our channel because it's real and honest. Market Profit, we are going to be back later on for the Fed report. So we're asking everybody if they want to be involved in that. Keeping things very stable. Market Profit, any good news today from the Fed, you think? What do you think? The overall portfolio is green at the moment. Learn a lot from me. Arnold Palmer offers his advice as well. There you go. Arnold Palmer is not a member, though. Arnold Palmer does not get the benefits. You can't. He doesn't get replies to all his comments on YouTube. He's not able to access Discord and talk to our star traders. He's not able to have his own channel on YouTube. All those things. He's not a member, but he is a welcome guest of our family, and we welcome him in every day. We're trying to get a trade out of Virgin Galactic at 6.45 or upwards. We're not there yet. I need every cent in Tesla. Tesla is in my position here. It's going up today. I'm down 10% on it. My average is 711. I don't know what you think is good news, Nicholas. Do you want them to fight inflation and help the poor? Or do you want them to prop the stock market up? There we go. They are two different things. There you go. Rivian. This is my Lucid. These are all my real shares, my real positions. I've paid off all my margin. I have no stress anymore. And it feels good. Teslas will make a new all-time high in a few years. I don't doubt that for a second. Don't doubt that for a second at all. Totally agree. I'm going to sell 2 VU, 2 shares of VU, because we are up. I am in profit. I can always buy back. I've sold 2 shares of VU. For a profit. And the reason why I've done that, I've now got 727 in my buying power. I've made a profit because I want to get, I don't want to buy any more Virgin Galactic. I'm waiting to make profit on it already. 636. Looking at buying another Tesla when it goes back down. Rivian, my average is 27. $26. I'm going to buy 1 Rivian. I'm waiting for that. Lucid. No. Arrival. I'm going to buy 32 shares of Arrival. Okay. Amazon. Not going to buy any more there. Apple. I've got plenty there. 913. Wait for that one. McDonald's. Buy a share of McDonald's. Coca-Cola. Waiting for an opportunity for there. McDonald's. There we go. That's better. Johnson & Johnson. Waiting for that to fall. MasterCard. Too high at the moment. Google. $100 worth of Google. Microsoft. Nvidia. Meta. Part of me wants to sell my Meta when I can get out of it. SoFi. Look at the buying power again. 332. Yeah, we're making money. We're doing well. So, IonQ. What did I say? Remind myself what it was. 332. IonQ. SoFi. Wait for it to fall back. IonQ. I'm down 4%. Let's get it to pull back a little bit. PayPal. PayPal. Rolls-Royce, no. Walmart. Waiting for a pullback. Target. Waiting for a pullback. Tesco. Canoe. It's very speculative, that one, so I'm not sure about it. On social media. Oh, hello. Sing Imagine for all those poor kids yesterday. Oh. Absolutely. Market profit. I would love to do that. The only thing is, as I've always said, to cover my copyright, because remember I only get 70% of the tip. It's $10 as a tip, because I will lose my ad revenue on the video. If I do it for $2.79 and then I end up with about $1.50, I will actually lose money from my ad revenue. If I sing a song, I get copyright, and I'm happy to do it, and the minimum is a $10 tip. It's a $10 tip. That way, it covers the copyright of the video. If I do it for less, I actually lose money on it. So I've always said, if you wish me to do a song in the show, I'm happy to do so, but it's a $10 tip. Oh, there we go. There we go. Well, I happily do Imagine. Happily. Absolutely. Don't even start me on gun crime in the US. As one senator said yesterday, it doesn't happen anywhere else in the civilized world. It doesn't. We had a gun massacre years ago in the UK, and everyone, other than a few villains, everyone handed their guns in, and we don't have mass shootings anymore. We have the odd bank robber like everywhere, anywhere, but there's no guns on the streets anymore. It never ends in America, does it? It never ever ends. No one ever does anything about it. It's quite sad. Heartbreaking. So yes, I will do that. I will do that. Just looking at a couple more things to do here. Make my investments. I've done a few. I think I've made some good investments this morning. My buying power is 234. But I don't want to buy any more. I'd buy more Tesla if it goes back down again. Just want to be hesitant. Rivian. Lucid. I've done a few there. I bought a few dips of companies I want and a bit more of. How many have I got now? 5. More hood. Okay. We'll do Imagine right now then. We're just coming up to the end. Well, coming up to the show shortly, right? We'll do Imagine. Absolutely. That's a very nice gesture, actually, Market Profit. A very nice gesture. I will do that. Yeah. Market Peru liked it as well. I closed my position on GoBit and healthy profit at 35%. Very nice. So we have a request here today for the children that was shot yesterday in Texas, not that far away from me. And we will do Imagine in the show. So we'll do that in a couple of moments' time. I'm just finishing off some small trades here. We're green for the day. We took a small profit from S&P. Virgin Galactic, we're trying to get a trade of 6.45. In fact, I will put that back in again now so I can go and do the song. Actually, I'll set this in. It was at 645, so let's make it 50. Let's make it 650. So we'll do a limit order of 650. Shares 10, good for the day. Review the order. Okay. Now I can leave that alone. That's okay. I'm not looking to buy back there. I've set up my sell there. Tesla. I want to watch it manually. Rivian. In my buying power. You haven't got to spend the money. $189. I haven't got to spend it. Rivian. No. I'll take a break for a second. We'll leave it on there. And what we'll do now, we'll go over and we'll do Imagine. This is Market Profits tip to the show. And he wishes to hear Imagine, which is a very, very nice gesture. So let's leave it on the overall portfolio for a moment. Let's go back to the studio. Now, everybody on TikTok, if you wish to hear me sing live now, Imagine, you need to be on youtube.com/thedaytrader1 because I get copyright on TikTok. Okay, so if you want to see me now, I'm going to go over to the studio and I'm going to sing Imagine as John Lennon. It's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. All the links in the profile. So I'm going to end with you now and be back with you very, very shortly. See you back in a bit. All right? Okay, there we go. All right. Here we go. Okay, we're in the hot seat once again. This is especially for Market Profit, who asked for Imagine for the children yesterday that were killed in another gun massacre in the United States. Never changes. People feel it's more important to have guns at home, and well, we're not even going to go there, but this is not a political show. This is just for the children, the innocent children that were shot. And Market Profit has asked for this very special song. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You imagine there's no countries. It's easy if you try. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as one. Imagine there's no possessions. It's easy if you try. Imagine there's no killing. Imagine all the people living life in peace. Yeah. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. And that video was brought to you today by Market Profit, who asked for a request in our show. So please share this video with everyone. I hope it brings some comfort, to support, to know that there are people in our channel, in our show live every day, who requested this song to be played for the children that were killed yesterday. And a beautiful song, Imagine, was dedicated, requested by Market Profit, one of our members of the Day Trader here today. Let's get back now to the main part of our show. Thank you very much for this part, and thank you for your support. All right, we'll get back to our trades right now. Let's change the set in the show. Wow, look at the super chat. Look at the super chat, everybody. Can you believe it? Incredible support. Incredible. So let's go back to the main show again now. Let's turn the camera around. Here we go. We're back again. That's very, 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 very kind of Peru. That's our biggest ever tip. That's our biggest ever tip. That is. Incredible. Thank you so much indeed, Peru. You are extremely kind and generous. Thank you very, very much for that. I can't thank you enough. I think I'm just trying to make sure I've got all the lights right. Yeah. Wow. Let me get back into the trading screen right now. Peru, thank you so much. We've turned around so much on this show in the last few days, getting rid of that margin. So much. And, you know, to get support like that for the channel is incredible. Thank you very much indeed. I will actually put that video out and dedicate it to the children. So I'll put that out 149, well 148, something like that. Let me have a look. Imagine 1 hour 45. There we go. Nicholas Morello, Hamish, yes, Peru. Well, that certainly covers the copyright. It does indeed. It does indeed. Because when I sing a song in the show, I earn a few bucks a show, not a lot. But if I do a song, then I lose that revenue from my ad revenue. So when I get a tip, it covers it. But when I get a tip of $99, that really does cover it. And all that money I get from my shows goes back into the show. It goes back into making this a better experience for you, keeping it live, keeping the shows going. Because I don't make money from the live shows, just a couple of bucks. But thank you very much indeed to Peru. So we're going to be back. We are going to be back. We've got, looks like 20 votes, like 19 votes for the Fed. It's in 2.5 hours from now. It is basically Yahoo Finance stream it. And I will have it on the show. We'll be streaming it and listening in. That's how we'll do it this afternoon. So I need to get off now and get ready for that. Thank you, Market Profit. Beautiful song. I have kids. Who's in school right now? I can't even imagine how those parents that lost their children are feeling right now. It is so sad. Yeah. Jokes aside, Hamish said, how generous. Love the way this family supports one another. It does. It's just incredible. It's why we're growing and hopefully become the best YouTube channel in the world. Right. The portfolio is up today. Up today. Wonderful. Vanguard S&P is up. I just trimmed some back. Virgin Galactic, I'm waiting for a sale to go through at 650. Aren't they just Fed minutes being released? I don't know. I thought Jerome Powell was speaking. That's what I was told. If that's not correct, then I can't present it. Is there no Jerome Powell speaking today? If there's not, I can't do it. So if you want to clarify that, nothing live from Fed members. There's nothing live. Ah, okay. There isn't. Well, then I can't do it then. Let me end the poll. If there's no live feed, there's nothing going on. Thank you, Market Profit, for clarifying that. Now then, we are looking to do a couple of investments now. $189. Everything's moving up now, so you don't want to chase the stock. You want to buy on the dip. Unless you are way under your average, of course. Then you can do that. Arrival. Did I buy some Arrival today? I thought I did. Yes, I bought 32 shares at 163. Yeah. Let me refresh that. That should have gone up, or the average should have gone down. Amazon, I'm not looking to buy any more. Apple, not looking to buy any more. Robinhood, I did buy some more this morning. Got 17 now. It's pumping up now. So, McDonald's is still down. I want to buy some more Coke. I want a whole share of Coke, waiting for that to drop again. Johnson & Johnson is up. I would like to get some more. We'll wait. MasterCard is up. Google, I've added to my position. I'll wait for it to fall down lower. Microsoft is up. We're looking to buy some more dips. That's what we're looking to do. Not looking to buy things that are pumping again. We want to just ride that up. Meta. I don't like Facebook. I'm starting to think, some things you think you have to own things. You have to own Meta. It's a face, you need to own Facebook. I just don't like it. I don't even use it. Well, I use it. Hello, I'm live on Facebook right now. But I don't like how it works. But it's a very big company, But all I tend to get is scam people that use it. I had that guy come in this morning. He didn't come over. Look, people don't. I don't like the way it controls my information. I don't really like it. So why am I investing in it? Well, I don't even believe in it. There's but it is part of the S&P 500 though. It is actually. So I'm actually exposed to it anyway, whether I like it or not. I'm very tempted if it goes up to just sell it, and I'll have, but then if it goes up and I'm making profit, then I don't need to, do I? SoFi is up today. I would have liked to have bought some more. I've got 32 shares of it. I'm down 1.5%. IonQ, it's on a bit of a bounce at the moment. I would have liked to have got more. No, he's not speaking. Okay. Just the FOMC minutes. I think this is a pump and then dump just before the Fed minutes are released. On June 6th, I start my new job. Then I'll be ready to keep buying the dips. I'll be ready. Nicholas, the worst part of the bear market is not that people are down big on their positions, but it's people think things are getting cheap and use their salaries to double down in hope of getting back to even. Congratulations on the job, though. There you go. Well, I mean, at some point it's got to turn around, hasn't it, market? But I understand what you're saying. The companies aren't what they were before. IonQ is up. I wanted to get a bit more. I wanted to get some more shares, but it's popped too much now. PayPal. That's doing well. Rolls-Royce up. Walmart. I'm trying to get a Walmart. I like it. I know what Market said. He's been dollar cost averaging into Walmart like it's going to go back down again, like 120. Wow, we're getting some really good stuff here right now. It's nice to see, isn't it? Rolls-Royce, Walmart. Let's have a little bit of perspective, though. Sometimes the day position is just really not that good. You got to step back and go, okay, look at the year. Let's see how it just hovers along, and then it rose and then it dropped dramatically. So it's still cheap right now. It's a great company. It's in the S&P 500. You've got a good dividend on it. It's been steadily climbing this last month. It is slowly returning. This might be the best we're going to get it. $189. I'd like to own a share of it. I'd like to own one Walmart, even if it is only one. Looking at all these options, where best to put my money. I think I'm going to keep my money on hand now in case we get a dip later. Everything's pumping a little bit now, which is great. But let's just keep my money on hand for that final investment. But I'm very happy today. I'm at 1.22. Very good. So let's do day trader of the day. Let's do day trader of the day and find out who our trader of the day is. Just skip the ad. Here it comes. All right. If you're watching me on the repeat, please click subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. We've got 23 likes. Pretty good. Thank you very much, everybody, especially Market Profit and Peru today, who massively supported the channel. Huge support to the channel. I can't thank you enough for that. Well, we've gained 2 subscribers today. That's nice. It's been quiet today. It's been quiet the last few days. I haven't put out any new videos. That's why the subscriber rate is going up slower. I need to do that. Yes, Rocket Man, they can't continually prop up markets forever. If the Feds don't do something significant to tame inflation, things will just get worse. Yeah. GTLB up 7% today. It was a tip from yesterday. Yes. Paul, I think Muzanella did that one as well. So congratulations to you. So let's do day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio, your day position, and share with the world your honest trades. I'm up 1.18%. Oh, Rob McLean is here. Just popping in briefly. I've read back the chat. Wow. Oh, we did Imagine. I had Peru Invest gave a tip afterwards for 99.99, but it was done by Market Profit, who first of all did the copyright tip for Imagine for the children that sadly lost their lives in Texas yesterday, and asked for a song, and we did that, and then Peru came in and did $99. Incredible support. Right, 1 minute on the clock. Let's get your timer. Get your results. Let's see who wins today. Here we go. Up 0.02. I'm still in the lead. I'm up 1 point. Oh, Nicholas Morello. Nicholas Morello takes the lead. Up 3.3. Bill is up 2.89. Up on Walmart, yeah, on Walmart. Rocket Man's up 0.79. Rob McLean is up 0.04. But comfortably in the lead right now is Nicholas Morello. Very, very good score. Very good score indeed. 13 seconds to go. .3. Is that going to be the winning score today? Could well be. There we go. And very, very good indeed. Congratulations to you, Nicholas Morello. 3.3% is a great score. Great score on any day, particularly these recent times. So we want to congratulate you. Let's thank you for your honest trades. Thank you very much indeed. Give him a thumbs up. Let him know you appreciate it. And of course, big round of applause. Absolutely fantastic. Congratulations to you, Nicholas Morello. Absolutely awesome. Thank you, he said. There you go. Taking the applause. All right, well done, Nicholas. All right, well, so we're not back for the Fed report. There is no Fed report. It's just the minutes. There's no information. There's no live presentation, but we can obviously talk about it in this afternoon show. And I'm sure Market Profit, Nicholas Morello, somebody will send it in for me, and we can discuss it. And I'm sure it will affect the markets. But the good news is, right now, my portfolio is up 1.22, $400. Heading towards 33,000. We've got no margin. We've sold it for this morning a couple of shares for a profit. We have 189 on standby, which is nice. Great. We can't quite get out of Virgin Galactic with those 10 shares at 650, but I've got a limit order, so we'll see what happens. Tesla's going up. I'm not buying any more. I don't even feel I need to trade anymore right now. I've got 12 shares. I'm not going to buy any more dips until it goes down to like 400 or 300 or something like that. So I'm just leaving that there. Rivian, I've got 14 shares of that. Happy with that. I'll buy some more if it drops back down. Lucid, I've got 6 shares. Not a lot, I know, but I'm in a reasonable position. Arrival, I've got 64 shares there now. I'm down 4%. That's much better. Amazon, got the stock split. I think it's June the 7th. Just 2 weeks away. It's bound to go up in price, I would say, but we'll see. Apple doing well. I've got good dividends there as well. I've got a very big position in Apple. Do like Apple. Robinhood, I bought some more, just down 2% now. Remember, this was down 80% at one point. $70 a share, remember that? McDonald's, I've been trying to pick up some more. Just got 1 share of it. Coca-Cola, waiting for a drop. Johnson & Johnson, we're waiting for a drop to get in there. MasterCard. Google, strong today. I've added to my position. It's good. Microsoft. I would like to own more of Microsoft. Absolutely right. Nvidia. I would like some more of that. Only got $10 in that. Meta. My average cost is 183.70. We're nearly at a break even. I don't like Facebook. I mean, you might say, well, it's one for the future with the metaverse and all that stuff. I mean, is it worth owning one? I guess it's worth being in it. The upside potentially is far greater than the downside, right? We've got it at the bottom here. I'm only down 0.26. There are people who are down a lot more than that. Maybe not add to it if you don't like it, but keep it. There's no other benefit. There's no dividend. It's just a growth stock. But why not? Should we own one to be in the game? SoFi, got 32 shares. We're down 1.71. Not that much down now. IonQ. I would like to buy some more IonQ. I like what they're doing. PayPal. I bought some more PayPal. I'm actually up on PayPal. Can you believe it? I'm actually up on PayPal at last. There we go. I'm up 0.76%. That's pretty good. Rolls-Royce, looking good. Walmart, waiting for a drop. Target has done very well for me. I'm up 4%. I'm up 1.4% now on Target, and Target also has a dividend, a reasonable dividend. So I'd like to keep hold of that. Tesco's pretty good too. I think I will set with the investment I've got here. I've got $189. I think I'd like to get Walmart. How low do I think it's going to go today? I mean, I don't want to set a limit order on it because it's cheap anywhere. It's cheap anywhere. I mean, 118, 120. I mean, it's all cheap regardless anyway. So I could just buy a share and be done with it. I've got a share of it, but why not wait for a bit of a pullback? Oh, here it comes now. Look, are we getting a little bit of a pullback? A little bit. Can we pick up one share of Walmart? I can afford to buy one. I've got 189. I mean, it's down today, but it was down a bit more. I think, I mean, over the last week, it's starting to rise up, right? I don't see it's going to, I don't know if we're going to go back down there again now. That looks like a steady rise back up again now. You might get a little dip. Here we go. Here's your opportunity to get a little bit. Buy a Walmart. Buy a share. One. There we go. I bought one. I bought one. I'm happy with that. And now I've got one. If it goes lower, I'll buy a second one once I can make some profit from somewhere else. That would suit me. I think it will go to 100, maybe even 80. Nicholas Morello is off. Thanks all. We're going to end the show right now. Thank you. I think it will go to 100 or even 80. So then that's the point. But smart dollar cost averaging in at these levels, yeah, I think so. Oh, there you go. Don't you all hate when that happens? You buy it and it goes down. Market profit. I think what I'll do is I'll buy another one. At 100 or 80. Absolutely. I think that would be a good idea. But stand back, be calm. We're up to date, happy, improved our positions, made some profits. I think we're okay with that. Should we call that a day until this afternoon, the closing bell? I reckon it's a perfect time to end. Why? We've got 23 watching and 23 likes. We've got the best people in right now. All right. Did we get any more followers on Twitch today? I've got 27 followers. I need 23 more to make the 50. And thank you all of you that supported me over there today. All right. Going to end the show right now. Can you see how much more calm we are on the show right now? Much more healthy. My blood pressure's down. I feel happier, feel more content. We're making money. We're accepting where we are. We're not buying into the FUD. We're not buying into the nonsense. We're making educated, rational decisions. The support for the channel has been incredible. Really, really great. Everything is so calm and peaceful these days. It's a different show, isn't it? Everything is so calm and peaceful these days. It's got to be. It's got to be good, isn't it? It's got to be good for your health, right? Absolutely. Slow it down. Educated guesses. If someone's telling you you've got to buy something quick, if you've got to buy, you've got to buy a stock right now, quick, then it's never a good thing. Take some time. Be decisive. Maybe a bit impulsive now and again. Be alive. Don't be a robot. But when you're talking about investing your hard-earned money, be calm, be thoughtful, and think it through. And this channel is not to influence you to buy or sell anything. It's to share a collective thoughts on all the yin and the yang and the yang and the yin and the market profit of the balance and the scales and the Peru and the Muzanel and everybody else. We're all balancing everything out, and then you make your own choices. This is not a channel which says, Bitcoin's going $1 million, buy it now. Bitcoin's going to 0, buy it, sell it now. It's not what we do. We just tell the truth. Take care of yourselves and each other.